Haven't we all questioned our reality? What if you found out that the world you thought you knew was really an illusion created by higher powers? Would you try and fight it? Neo does, and wakes up from a dream world in the Matrix. In the movie from 1999, Thomas Anderson works as a software programmer, but has an alias as Neo, the internet hacker. He is sought out by Morpheus, the captain of a ship which is located under the surface of the Earth. I hope to be the next one who is chosen by Morpheus. It's the greatest honor you can ever achieve. Know that everyone counts on you. You live in an illusion, but you just don't know it yet.
Okay, just hold on, just relax. You got it all wrong. Look, in the book Brave New World, it describes our society and how it really is. Not how you think it is. Our society is more real than you think. We're divided into different classes, and sorry, but you're clearly an epsilon, the lowest class. And I'm an alpha plus. I'm the winner. So just don't talk about our society as though you know something. We don't have a virtual reality. We've always known our reality, and we're all raised how we're supposed to be in our specific classes, and we're happy about that, unawarely. Bourdieu, the French sociologist, he knew this long time before us, and we're all affected by our surroundings, and we're all placed where we're supposed to be. And this is one of his key arguments. And for a couple of years, no one would know that this would become the foundation of our society.
Charlie woke up to the beaming of the universal alarm clock. He opened his eyes and stared up the grey ceiling. His cell was approximately 10 diameters. Charlie was a Volvo, one of them, one from the lower classes. As soon as he got out of bed, his bed disappeared into the wall. A glass on the table waiting for him. 3 pills, one for happiness, one for control, and one for the questions. The questions kept piling up inside him. Charlie tried to remember what it was like in Denmark before, but it was hard because the Danish language was so blurred out. The only language now was Chinese. The screen came down from the ceiling. "Good morning, Charlie. Did you sleep well?" Ladek expected an answer. Charlie glanced annoyed at the screen while he took his red and yellow uniform on, the Chinese colors.
There are still difficulties associated with the Chinese language. The signs make little sense to many, and the pronunciation is an everyday struggle for especially the Volvos. Naturally, they have learning issues. The higher the class, the easier the learning, probably because of the amount of pills. The Volvos used to live in the north, in a rich and fertile country. They ruled the world along with the Fiats. Those days are over, and they are now the slaves of the Chinese regime. Mercedes and Ferraris are the superior ones. They used to live on mysterious land, which was omitted by the Volvos and the Fiats, until enormous treasures showed themselves from the earth and forced the Volvos to regret their behavior forever.